everyone, welcome back to Kameru, a channel where we'll explore art. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and hence, without wasting any moment, let's get started. So I'm going to paint on this steel box today. I'm going to use acrylic paints here, but at first, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos. So coming back, I'll apply gesso. After 2 layers of gesso, it is finally ready to paint on. My cousin sister gave me this box and said to customize it. She also said that
the theme should be devotional and I want Sri Krishna on top, so paint accordingly.
Well, so there I am. Tighten up my sleeves and got to work. So painting the lower part with orange and upper part with gradient of yellow acrylic paints. Since she wants Lord Krishna on it, I plan to paint Bal Krishna with a pot of dahi. I always prefer starting with a rough sketch before the painting, so going to follow the same process here. Well, I'm using yellow and orange paints here because these are the colors used to depict happiness, hope, energy, warmth, good health, power of persuasion and much more. The background is ready. Starting by painting Lord Krishna. मैं उनके body parts को plain blue shade करूँगी and then slowly उसी color के darker and lighter shades से shadows and highlights दिखाऊंगी. Similarly, मैं बाकी के elements को भी same steps follow करके
धीरे 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 धीरे
complete करूँगी. I will also keep adding small textures and patterns in the places needed. I'll also paint a cute small flute with brown acrylic paint.
You better not forget that.
I will quickly paint the flute and add details to it as well. जब मैं अपने लॉर्ड कृष्ण के पेंटिंग से satisfy हो जाऊंगी, I will create a border using black acrylic paint around the whole picture. So this is how my small attempt of customizing this box looks like. I hope you love it. Also, I hope she loves it. Because I loved it. You can use this box to store the things used for puja or in any other way you wish. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with at least one friend and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye and thank you.